Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many operations on the application of Telegram. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Telegram and you will click here. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.